Hi guys, welcome to Health and Cooking class. Today we're going to talk about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, and we might have talked a little bit about them before, but I was reading about how healthy they are. Sweet potatoes are full of vitamins and minerals. They have beta carotene in them, which helps with your eyes and also helps fight cancer. And it also has, I'm going to make sure I remember everything. It helps with your digestion, and it also helps with immunity, which is what we're trying to build right now, right? So we don't get sick. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to cut up some sweet potatoes, and I've already cut some up right here and put it in here, and we're making them kind of in the shape of French fries. So you can do any shape you want. If you like chunky French fries, or if you like thin French fries, if you like short or long. Someone's phone is ringing, huh? Do you hear that? But we're gonna ignore that and just keep cooking. And so you just kind of cut them down. I know that sweet potatoes are kind of hard to cut. So, and there's a way you want to cut them so you don't, see how I'm making my hand flat on top, so I'm not putting my fingers by the knife. So if you're going to cut these up, and not your parents, make sure they watch you the first time and show you how. You want to make sure that these fingers don't get anywhere near the blade. So I was showing you we were cutting up the orange sweet potatoes, but these are the purple sweet potatoes. And these are the kind that you find in Japan, in a little island called Okinawa. There are other places too now, but the Okinawans eat these purple sweet potatoes, and they're very healthy. They're very healthy because they also contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that help with your immunity and all those type of things. And the people in Okinawa, actually there's a lot of people that are 100 years old or older. They're living to be 100 years old. Actually 3 times more people in Okinawa are over 100 than the people that are here in the US. So, and you know what their staple is? The thing that they eat the most? Purple sweet potatoes, Okinawan sweet potatoes. So we're gonna eat those today. And it's very simple. After they're cut up, you just add some oil. Some people add, I do a lot of olive oil, but I did hear Auntie Katie say in one of her videos that you don't wanna cook olive oil at a high heat. It's not good for you. So you might wanna use avocado oil or coconut oil, or whatever oil that you want to use. And also, I just put some salt in there. Some salt in there, and then I like this big container because I close it up and then I shake it. And when you shake it, all the oil and the salt gets all mixed in on the sweet potatoes, and then we bake them on a cookie sheet for, it depends, but I think about 20 minutes at 400 degrees, but I would check it after 15 minutes and see if they're done. And just poke them, have a parent help you poke them with a fork to see if they are soft enough for you to eat. And then you can eat them at like French fries with ketchup if you want, or you could put them in like a wrap, or even in a sandwich. I've seen people put them in a sandwich. So sweet potatoes, so good for you. If you haven't tried them yet, try them and enjoy them and be healthy.